In today's session, we're going to talk about law number 2 that pertains to exponential formats. Law number 2 states that if the bases are the same, we simply subtract one exponential number from the other. So before I carry on, let me just say that I've written down exactly the same equation in two different ways. On the left-hand side, we have a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y. On the right-hand side, we have a to the power x divided by a to the power y. And then you'll see the answer is exactly the same. Let's use an example. If we have 2 to the power 3 over 2 to the power of 1. First of all, are the bases the same? Yes, they are. Then what we do is we subtract one exponential, which is x, from y. So what we're left with is a positive 2 to the power of 2. It's exactly the same on the right-hand side, except it's just written out a little bit different. So it's 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power of 1. Base is 2, 3 minus 1. And what do you get? 2 to the power of 2. Now the question is, what would happen if x is smaller than y? Then that's a good question. Let's do an example. 2 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of 4. First of all, is the base the same? Yes. If the base is the same, we subtract x from y, or in this case, y from x. So we write a 1 on top. You write 2, 4 minus 2. And what you get is 1, 2 to the power of 2. It looks a little bit different on the right-hand side. We get 2 to the power of 2, divide that by 2 to the power of 4. Same base, and then it's 2 minus 4. And what we end up with is 2 to the minus 2. What we need to do is, first of all, write a 1. And then we take the negative value and we put it at the bottom. And as we do that, the minus sign disappears. So no longer is it 2 to the minus 2, but it's now 2 to the power 2. And you'll see that these two are exactly the same. Let's have a look if we start mixing up bases. And the example would be something to the effect of 2 to the power of 2 times that by 3 to the power of 5. And then I'll just flip it. 2 to the power of 5 times by 3 to the power of 2. If this is the line, which is bigger, the 5 or the 2? The 5 is, so we go 2, 5 minus 2. We look at the base of 3, we see 3, the 5 is bigger than the 2. And what that would equal is 3 to the power 3 over 2 to the power 3. We know that anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And maybe I can explain it a little bit better with the second law of exponents. So we know 2 over 2 equals 1. In exponential format, it'll be 2 to the power 1 over 2 to the power 1. That will be 1 minus 1, and that will equal 2 to the power 0. But we know that 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please drop your question in the questions below. We'll read and respond as soon as possible. If you need more help with math, please click the link below that goes to my channel and go view what we have available there.